here's how to star lace your low top Converse. Now remember, you can pause the video or play it on half speed as much as you like. Go slowly, there's absolutely no rush at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin by feeding our lace end down into the very top eyelet here, and we're going to pull about this much lace out and just tuck it out the way. Then we're going to take the rest of this super long lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the very top eyelet on this side this time. So just feed it down and pull that lace all the way through until we have a bar that goes across the top like that. Then we're going to skip the very next eyelet down and we're going to feed the lace up and through this eyelet here from underneath. So just find the right eyelet, pull that one up from underneath, and stop there and make sure you've definitely got it the same as me. Great. Then we're going to go ahead, bring this lace over the sneaker tongue again this time and down into this corresponding eyelet on the other side here. Let's just go ahead and pull that through, making sure there's no twists in your lace, and take your time. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to go all the way down to the very bottom eyelet on this side and we're going to bring it up into it from underneath. Just like that. Now we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into this eyelet here that already has a lace through it. But just feed that through. Can be a little bit fiddly, but take your time. Pull that lace all the way through, making sure there's no creases in it. Great. And then we're going to bring it up into the very bottom eyelet on this side this time from underneath. Pull it through from underneath. You can see our star pattern starting to form. It's looking good. Then we're going to bring this one all the way across and into this eyelet this time that also already has a lace in it that we did earlier. So just feed your lace end down into it, pull it all the way through. Again, making sure everything's nice and straight. Then we're going to take this lace and we're going to feed it underneath the little X here. So just pull it through, just so it's underneath. And then we're going to bring it up into this eyelet again, this very bottom one, from underneath, like this. Looking great. Then once this lace is through the very bottom eyelet, we're going to feed it just underneath this little bit here. So make sure you feed it underneath that arm of the star. Keep everything in place, no creases. And then we're going to take it over the very top of this bar here to form the top part of the star. Now what I like to do here is just pinch your lace here to make sure the top of your star comes out nice and pointy. Then we're going to take this lace and we're going to feed it underneath this arm this time. So just feed it under there, pull it through, get rid of any twists. And then we're going to finish off the pattern by feeding this lace end down into the very bottom eyelet on this side. Looking good. Now take a minute just to adjust your star until it's sitting at the tightness level that you'd like so you can slip your foot in and out of the shoe. And then with this excess lace, we're simply going to tuck it behind the canvas here and down into your Converse. It shouldn't bother your feet too much and you'll just be able to slip them straight in. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. Thank you.